I'm whining on my face, I'm whining on my face. Big body girl, come whining on my face. I'm whining on my face, come whining on my face. Fat pussy girl, come whining on my face. I'm whining on my face, come whining on my face.
Are you serious?
People, welcome to the channel. This is Birdbee, and today we're gonna give you some more updates on the QUADA situation. And Footah Hype Babymother come out and say he is not taking care of his son. But before we get into that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit that share button. It does a lot to help the channel out and it costs you literally nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now viewers and subscribers, I know that you are all aware right now about the QUADA situation, and it's a very compromising situation to say the least. But here he is with a message.
I'll tell you something about life, Zane. You say anything you want to do it. Tomorrow not guaranteed, brother, you see me? You have now. The time is now. Do anything you want to make life is about living, making experiences and moments and meeting new people and all of that. Do what you want to do. Go out there, go live some life. You hear me tell you? Live, brother, live to the fullest. No make nobody stop you. No work off on no validation. No look no okay within nobody. No living in a box. Live your life to the fullest. You hear me tell you? Because the truth is, nobody don't really give a fuck about you or what you think about or what you care about or what you want to do. So live for you. You hear that? Fully.
Other social media users have come out and expressed their thoughts on the matter. A lot of people are in support of QUADA, a lot of people are not. A lot of people are saying it's a publicity stunt, but no one really knows how the video got leaked because QUADA hasn't really addressed that part of the whole situation. But here's some social media's users' thoughts on the matter. Listen to this.
Yo, me telling you this, enough batty hypocrite and shy boys in the Jamaica community. Because you see enough of them man when you see run out and a burn out QUADA in the video, them name crutches too. Enough man we hear talk about, yo man when name crutches for go and diss them up. Best believe if night could have turned day. Yo, when a woman a tell you say, yo, the man them way, them start date and them say them name crutches. Ask any woman, that them the man there, the woman them say name crutches the best. Enough boy in a community burn out batty man and deep down them a undercover fish. Yo, come on assault bro. I see some flag they run with the whole thing. Yo, allegedly say him. Probably not sure. You see me? Even if I him. Bro, me not see, and him not gonna be the first nor the last. You see me? No for uno. It's like if you don't get caught on camera, uno good to go. But uno do it. I think that no for uno do. And me know enough man now go like the video, but no for uno boy and them crutches boy. Yeah. And especially the one them where they lick out pan the worst way. Oh yo, man, I name crutches. Yeah man, go ask a woman will tell us man that them the man that name the crutches the best. So man know some batty hypocrite and some little shy boys boy. Yeah. You see me? Cause me not see the big all excitement with the man get caught and do it. These things happening. Like a lot of you guys are doing oral. Oral become a part of many of our sex life. So I don't see the big excitement. Believe me, no know. Me can't see it.
People, I would like to know what you think. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. And now let's move on to the next situation, or the next topic. Footah Hype Babymother says he's not taking care of his kids. Listen to this.
You're outer and bright and think me say, Ian, Affy go you take. My son Affy go you take. You get out of hand, me tired. All they do is watch Joe and scatter them. Alright. Aisha and the whole of them alright. Do you, as a father, what are you doing? You sit on a foreign and you sit down in a local car, you chat the people them go, and you chat the people them come. What are you doing towards your son as a big man parlor?
Lord Clad, comment investigate when you hear mix up over your screen record it.
Him Africa you take. Him Africa suppose was a careless mother and me watch him. Actually, I love my son to that one boy pit me get. I have to make sure so my son go to school. My son now go turn no blood clot this jacket. Me no want my son turn this jacket. I no want my son be no criminal par road and give up on life. You're crazy. My son have to reach. Big up Ashanti and big up Orlando and big up my family. They must always contribute to my son life. Because if me never have a supporting family and background and stepfather, every day a stepfather. Foota, you no shame. Stepfather this, Stepfather that, and me I tell her, him stepfather love him. Because him stepfather look and say he's doing extremely well. The man proud of him. But you Foota, you bad mind your son. You know why your son reach no way. Yeah. If I know your stepfather, see them? If I know your stepfather money. If I know your stepfather money, Foota, hold up this me say. Foota, get 2 grand US and hold you up so. See them? Hold you up. Let me show you because I don't hungry. I just tired of you. Hold up the money them like this. And stop watch Shanstorm them. Hold up your money, sir. And stop watch Shanstorm them. And stop watch people them like me. I do way better than you Jamaica. Me I do way better than you Jamaica. My son have to survive. Let me take up my money. If I'm a stepfather, you look boy dead for hungry. Do this Foota and beat me. Do this and blood clot beat me. Do this. Do this and beat me. Do this and beat me. No. Do this and beat me. Do this. Big pussy man. You think some over here dead for you? You think I'm hungry? Him swear I'm hungry. Me duffy blood clot bag. You think I'm hungry? Me don't hungry at Jamaica. Me just start done you because I'm tired. Do this and beat me. Put up 3,000 US. Do this and beat me. Me eat you. All of these watch Scatter. I watch Aishana. I watch people in life. Do this and beat me. Do it and beat me. Put up all of the money. Take the money out of my duffel bag. Do it and beat me, Foota. Eh? You think me don't get hungry? Do it and beat me. I'm tired. Me tired of you. Me tired now. You stop promising me pick the money. Stop watch Cartel and stop watch people them. Stop watch Lisa Hype and stop watch Shanstorm. Do what you have to do as a father and stop bad mind. Your son is too fucking bad mind. Me hate you and despise you. You're too blood clot enough. You're too enough. You're past enough. Eh? Every minute my son beg your money like I want to bad him up. Like a body want bad him up pitney but time order foreign. Move your blood clots so where you seek asylum for. Where you seek asylum for. If you sit down over there and watch people, what's the end game? My son do a business degree. Business degree. You should jump up happy. You should have a run go blood clot. Say, you know, say me need for blood clot. Make sure say my son go to college. Well, I'm money that show. Me tell him to do this and beat me. Do it and beat me now, Foota. Do it and beat me now. Do this and beat me, Foota. Do this and beat me and stop watch Shanstorm them. Do this and beat me. Stop watch my Gaza friend them. Stop watch my Gaza friend them. Do this and beat me. Come to Jamaica and do this and beat with down here because you're there foreign and nah do nothing. I want blood clot carbon, shark car seed. Yeah, blood clot dancehall archive. Me tired of you. Me nah look no clout because I'm do hungry at Jamaica. Me no want no clout off of you. Me just want you know say my son tired. I'm tired of promises now, Foota. The last time I 2 grand I send come give me pitney. 2 grand. You think me I send 2 grand go give my son? Eh? Do this and beat me, Foota. Beat me. Do this and beat me. Foota blood clot hype. Do this and beat me. Me tired. Me say me get up this man and I plan for you. Because me say no man. You say you go send money from January 5th. My son tell you say the 5th for pay the blood clot tuition for pay. Are you not pay the tuition? Eh? See there, yesterday I go buy my son shoes. Yesterday. Eh? Me never have to make sure my son good. See there? Yesterday. Showing the people. Yesterday I buy my son shoes. I said me go send it up with him now.
Anyways, people, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share this video. Also, please don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified of our latest updates. With that being said, see you later. Birdnation, stay sharp.